name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is December 28th, 2021, and Bitcoin is looking a little tricky. So what the hell is going on with Bitcoin? My target of 58K has not changed. I still maintain that Bitcoin is targeting 58K. As I said in prior videos, I'm not exactly sure how we're going to get there, but so far, my analysis that we printed an A wave right here. By the way, we're on the 4-hourly chart. An A wave right here, and this whole thing was a B wave, yeah, right here, was a B wave. That is still true in my estimation, and that we need an impulsive C wave. Now, what's changed given the recent candles printed is that I believe that this right here is our reversal, A, B, and that we're going to finally get our first impulse, because and this goes back to, if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know that I've had some trouble counting this impulse, this as a clean 5-wave impulse. This is impulsive price action, but it's a bit choppy and it's characteristically corrective. Okay, so it would make sense that it's part of an A wave out of this consolidation, this B wave right here, right? This complex correction. So for me, what I'm reading right now is that what we've been experiencing, this upwards price action, has been sort of the C wave of the A wave out of this larger complex correction that's been consolidating for some time. This is the counter wave, B wave, that we look like we're completing right now, and I anticipate that we come up for a proper 5 waves up to our target of about 58, which would take us to around here, this range right here. And after that, I'm seeing a big dump. Okay, and this is what I'm seeing on the charts. I think that we can see this similar scenario playing out in other kind of assets. If you look at VRA really quickly, you can also see this, okay? Again, you had an A wave here that was outside of the large drop, right? Kind of a counter to the large drop. You had a bunch of consolidation here, and then here you start with your A wave outside of this consolidation, this B wave consolidation. You get your A wave here, you get your B wave. That's kind of a zigzag because it comes to the 0.5 of this A wave, and now we're finally going to go to our C wave to what I think is a top of 5 to 5.4 cents. So this is what I'm seeing across the board. Not obviously in every asset, but in most assets. If we come to Chainlink, I know a lot of you all trade Chainlink, and it is similar, right? We've got our A wave, right, outside of the big drop, our B wave, some massive consolidation here for quite some time, and then outside of that, you get an A wave outside of, or taking you out of the range. And it looks like in Chainlink, I'm looking and seeing this. I think we're going to get something like this. If I'm not mistaken, we did the A of the B. We need this and that before getting our C wave. This is what I'm seeing in Chainlink, okay? I may be wrong, but the targets still stand. I may be wrong in terms of how we get there, but I'm still in my trades. My trades are still sort of in massive profits because right? We got into a lot of these trades down here, right? And so we've just been long ever since. And the target is still kind of the top of this range, between the 0.5 and the 618 of this range before a massive dip. Okay. And back to Bitcoin really quickly. I just want to zoom in just a tad and show. This is the chart. Okay, zoom in really quickly. So we're on the 4 hourly, go on the 15-minute time frame and show what this is doing right now. So like I said, I think we have a clear sign of reversal here. You see the kind of pitchfork, as I like to call it, or M reversal, 3 dips, right? So A wave, B wave, you're definitely going to get a C. Question is that impulse going to be all the way outside of this range? So let's go back to the 4 hourly time frame. If you look at it, just pattern analysis, let's say you don't know anything about Elliott wave principles, you're essentially just forming this sort of inverse head and shoulders, and you're retesting this neckline, right? That's all you're doing for continuation up, right? That's rather innocuous. If you were to reverse significantly under, that would be worrisome, okay? But so what I'm seeing now is, if this drop is indeed just a retest and we're not necessarily looking to continue downwards, we will not get rejected at the 618 of this drop. And the 618 of this drop, if we zoom in, let's say to the hourly, taking the Fibonacci retracement tool, it's around 50,800, okay? If we do not get rejection around this, between 50,400 and 50,800, and we break 50,800, we're definitely going headed to whatever the target is of this inverse head and shoulders, which is likely our 58K target. If we get rejection here, then that was it. But I think it's unlikely. Why? Because if you look, it just doesn't seem that we've gotten much of any retracement in this 2 wave beyond. So the A wave hit the 382, right? The 382 of the large drop, and then the B wave kind of arranged below kind of a bit, and the C wave didn't retrace past the high of the A wave, which is why I don't believe that we're done. Okay, this is why I'm seeing further upside for Bitcoin and most of the assets in the market. So that's the update for today. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was useful. If you like this kind of content, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys tonight on the live stream. The live stream will be a little earlier than usual. I think we're going to go live around maybe 4:30, even 4. So I'll put a sort of a video with the timing, with the time. Maybe it's going to be 4. I'm not exactly sure because I have an appointment later on in the evening. All right, take care.